How to get a student discount in Apple. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get student discounts in your Apple products. So let's get started. First, open up a web browser and go to apple.com. After you go to apple.com, you will be able to browse through their website. Now scroll down all the way to the footer of the site and there you will see for education section. Now here tap on Apple and Education, and after you tap on Apple and Education, you'll get redirected to another page, and here you will be able to choose your level. Now if you're a K-12, tap on it. If you're higher education, you can tap on that, and if you're a college student, you can tap on college students. Now for this video purposes, I'll be tapping on college student. Now here you will see college students and their discounts. If you scroll down again here, you will be able to see products and their prices. So here you will see Mac and iPad. Now the discounts are already applied to these amounts. Now you will see that MacBook Air 13 costs about $899 or $74.97 for 12 months. Now if we compare this to the normal price range, you'll be able to see that MacBook Air is $999. Now there is almost $100 discount. So yeah, that is basically your student discount. And you can simply buy it from here. Make sure that you are in education, and you can only use this if you are on education. They will ask you for your education information. So be sure that you're prepared with it. Now you can simply tap on buy and use this discount. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.